In this video, you will learn how to sign up and log in to Bitget. By following these steps, you will successfully create an account and access the platform for trading. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Google search engine by typing Google into the address bar and pressing enter. This action will take you to the Google homepage where you can perform searches. Next, type Bitget in the Google search box and hit enter. This will display a list of search results related to Bitget. Look for the official Bitget website link in the search results, which typically appears at the top of the page. Click on the link for the Bitget website. This will direct you to the official Bitget homepage. Once the page loads, you will see various options related to cryptocurrency trading and services offered by Bitget. After the homepage appears, locate and click on the login button. Usually found in the top right corner of the page, this action will take you to the login if you already have an account or create a new one. If you do not have an account yet, look for the text that says don't have an account. Below this message, you will find an option to sign up link to proceed to the registration page. On the registration page, you will be prompted to enter your email or mobile number. Click on the corresponding field and type in your preferred contact method. Make sure to use a valid email address to receive important notifications. Once you have entered your email and mobile number, review the terms and conditions. You must check the box indicating that you have read and agreed to the user agreement and privacy policy. This step is crucial for compliance with platform regulations. Next, if you have a referral code, enter it in the designated field, and then click on the next button to continue the registration process. This will lead you to the password setup page. On the password setup page, you will need to create a secure password. Click on the password field and enter your chosen password. Remember that a strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering your password, click on the next button. You may be required to complete a reCAPTCHA to verify that you are not a robot. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish this verification step. Once you have completed the reCAPTCHA, a message will prompt you to enter a verification code sent to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Bitget, which will contain the verification code. After finding the email, copy the verification code and return to the Bitget registration page. Paste the code into the designated field and click Next to proceed. If all information is correctly entered, you will be taken to your new Bitget account dashboard. Here, you can explore the features available to you as a registered user, including asset management and trading options. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.